What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how I prep a song for mixing. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about how I prep a song for mixing. We're going to go step by step of when I import the song first into Studio One and then up until when it's time for me to start mixing. All right, let's go. All right, fam. So I just imported a session for mixing into my DAW. This is how it looks, as you can see. So the first thing I want to do is I want to organize these tracks. So what I want to do is let's highlight all these tracks. Let's just move them to the top of my screen. In my template, as you guys can see, these are some extra effects that I use. Let me show you guys that really quickly. Here's my mix window. Here's the tracks that we just did. And these are some of the extra effects that I have, along with my regular effects that are here in the dark purple. The extra effects, or my bonus effects, are right here in the lighter purple. Yeah, and what I do is simply just drag the piece of audio down onto that specific effect. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back to this. So now I want to organize this track for mixing. So the first thing I like to do is I'll bring my beat up. So what I like to do as well, I duplicate my beat. You'll see why later. Then you have, this is the lead hook right here. These are the doubles for the hook. So this is the left. And this is the right. So what we'll do, we got the hook here, all three elements. We'll bring that up right under the beat. Next, we have the lead vocals along with the lead punch. So then we'll go ahead and bring that up here. So as you can see, we have the beat, we have the hook lead and the hook doubles, which we're going to treat like the leads. Then we have our leads. Now we have our ad libs, which are right here. Then we have some stab leads that are not there. And what I like to do, just to be on the safe side, I'll go into these tracks, and what I'll do, I'll just bump up the volume just to make sure there's actually nothing there, because sometimes, especially with instruments and stuff like that, you'll see a blank track. It looks like nothing's there, but then in fact something is there. So I'll go ahead and grab these. Since there's nothing there, we'll go ahead and move the selected track. So this is what we have to work with. So the next thing I'll do, I'll bring up my window, my mix window here. As you can see, first we have the beat. I'll select the beat here, move one left, move one right. Then I'll color code this beat. I like my beats green, so we'll make those green. And then I'll route it here instead of the main. I'll route it to my drum beat bus. All right, so there we have that. Next we have the hook and all the leads, so we'll highlight those. I like my leads red. Like I said, I'm going to treat these hook doubles, the left and the right. I'm going to treat those like leads, and I may add some extra processing after the fact just to give it its own flavor. But for right now, we're going to treat it like it's a lead. So what I'll do, since we have that highlighted, we'll go ahead and route this to my pre-lead bus. Then we'll go here to the ad libs, do the same thing. We have the ad libs, I like those, that color. And I'll send those to my pre-ad lib bus. And there we have it. That's the color schemes that I like to use for this. Let me just drop this volume down here just a tad, just so you guys, I won't kill you guys' ear when I play this. So right now I have Everything kind of at the same level. And what I'll start with, let's play this beat here.
I'm shook the shelf when I'm over the pot.
Just to hear what we got, what we're working with. We'll go ahead and play it.
Shook the chef.
Let's get to some other parts. Okay. Now let's go ahead and bring
I'm shook the shelf when I'm over the pot.
this first lead in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shook, what's up with it, man?
Shook the chef.
Uh-huh.
Let's go ahead and fast forward to some.
A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit. I ain't worried about none of that bullshit. If I was you, I would come get your hoe. Cause right now, but she all on the floor. Like, go, 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 go.
All right.
Go, go.
Let's bring it back. Let's add the second one in.
Yeah.
It's the left side.
A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit. I ain't worried about none of that bullshit. If I was you, I would come get your hoe. Cause right now, but she all on the floor. Like, go, 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 go.
All right, let's bring this right one.
A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit. I ain't worried about none of that bullshit. If I was you, I would come get your hoe. Cause right now, but she all on the floor. Like, go, 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 go. All my niggas, we lit like a flashlight. I just put up.
All right, I think I got that sounding good. Let's go ahead and listen to it. And I like to do this with my hooks, man, because it just makes my hooks wide. It makes them big. So I like to do this with my hooks, man. Let's play it. Let's mute these two so you can hear it without it. Then you can hear it with it. Let's mute these two.
A lot of niggas be
Muted.
talking that bullshit. I ain't worried about none of that bullshit.
Active.
If I was you, I would come get your hoe. Cause right now, but she all on the floor. Like, go, 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 go. All my niggas, we lit like a flashlight.
As you can hear, man, it just adds some extra oomph to your hooks, to your leads. All right, now let's go to the actual lead vocal. These are punch-ins, so we're gonna manipulate these at the exact same time. So let's go.
Yeah, babe, go ahead, give me some more. Hey, yeah, pick the bands off for the flow. These niggas pitiful. I just got in my bag, it's pitiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what up? Shh, that's critical. Can't fuck with her, telling my business. Trying to run up some racks like tennis. I was down on my dick to my bridges.
All right, I think that sounds good right there.
Cause right now, but she all on the floor. Like, go, go, go. Go ahead, babe, bounce that ass to the floor. Hey, yeah, babe, go ahead, give me some more. Hey, yeah, pick the bands off for the flow. These niggas pitiful. I just got in my bag, it's pitiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what up? Shh, that's critical. Can't fuck with her, telling my business.
That's kind of good right there, man. I don't want to boost it up too much because my processing will add some more volume to this. So I don't want to boost it up too much. I did record this vocal, so I gain staged it kind of. I had my settings right when I actually recorded the vocal, so it's not going to require too much gain staging. Next, I'll do my ad-libs. Honestly, man, I really don't gain stage these ad-libs until I'm pretty much done the mix. When I'm about to actually mix the ad-libs, that's when I'll really, really focus on the ad-libs. But let's go ahead and do this. Looks like it's two different ad-lib tracks. These ad-lib tracks are doing two different things. So let's go ahead and hear this first one first. Meet the second one.
Sure, what's up with it, man? Yeah. Okay, okay. A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit. I ain't worried about none of that bullshit. If I was you, I would come get your hoe. Cause right now, but she
Get
all
the
on
second one in
floor.
there.
Like, go, 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 go. Let's go. All my niggas, we lit like a flashlight. I just poured up the drink. Damn right. If I was
All right, so I think we got that gain stage pretty good for right now, man. You know, I'm not going to get too deep into it. I got everything leveled out the way I want to. Next, what I like to do, you see all these kind of dead spaces inside of this session. Man, I'm just going to get rid of them. Get rid of these for right now. Get rid of them. That one was off screen, I'm sorry. Go ahead and get rid of these dead spaces. Because you never know what could be lingering beneath those, man. So we'll go ahead and get rid of them. Just so we can make some of these a little bit cleaner. Let's go ahead. And that'll allow us to actually deep dive into the vocals to see if we need to do some fades, get rid of some breaths and stuff like that. But getting rid of these dead spots, man, that'll actually get rid of some of the deep breaths and some of the pops and noises. Just getting rid of the actual major stuff, major holes in the audio. Once I'm done with this. All right, let's go here. Do these ad-libs now. And like I said, I've seen some people not do this. Me personally, I like to do it because you never know what kind of white noise and hissing and stuff like that could be in between these spots. Me personally, like I said, I recorded this, so I know there's really nothing major in between there because of how I record. I get rid of everything anyway. Then I just bring everything together at the end. So now that that's done, what we got to do now, you know what we got to do. Let's hit that Command S and save because we don't want anything bad to happen. So let's go ahead and dive into. I actually heard something with this hook. I believe he said 2 different words at the beginning, man. Let's mute. In fact, let's mute this beat too.
Yeah. A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit. I ain't
Yep.
worried.
Did you guys hear that?
Be talking that
On
bullshit.
this one right here. Let's mute this.
I ain't worried about none of that bullshit. Talking that bullshit.
On one of them he said some. The other one he didn't.
Niggas be talking some bullshit.
On this one he said some. And look at here. This one.
Niggas be talking that
He
bullshit.
said that. So all I'm going to do, I'm getting rid of that. I don't need it. Matter of fact, yeah, let's mute that. Let's mute it just in case. And let's hear what the second one is.
A lot of niggas be talking that bullshit.
All right,
I
so
ain't
we
worried.
got it on the actual double. So it's really not affecting anything. And that's what I heard. Now we'll listen. What I like to do is listen for any type of breaths, any type of pops and stuff like that, or any type of imperfections throughout the vocals that I really, really need to focus on. Or at some points he may come in a little hard to where as though I had paused that. He may come in a little hard where I have to actually fade in the vocal, which I don't mind doing either. I like to do that as well. Just fade it in so it's coming in a little bit easier. It's not coming in so hard and so harsh. And that's how I prep my sessions for mixing, man. All right, family, that's how I prep my sessions for mixing. That's how I organize, color code, and all that. How do you prep your songs for mixing? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Do you kind of do it the same way I do? Or do you do it a different kind of way? Let's talk about that in the comments below. Do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com, where you can reach out to me for mixing and mastering services, studio time. I have ebooks on there. I have templates. I have a little bit of everything, so be sure to check out my website. Hey, it's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.